Hello dear friends. For most of us, frame drops have happened while editing, especially if we don't have a strong system. The project is very heavy or the resolution and quality of the files are high. In such a situation, there are a series of tasks that, by doing them, the speed of playing files in Davinci increases. Also, some of these methods work for all software. The first thing is to set the video playback quality to half or quarter. This only affects the quality of the video playback in the software and has no effect on the exported file. Of course, some people say that it's better to return it to the default state before exporting the project. The second thing to improve performance is to put the render cache on Smart. With this work, the effects and tasks that put pressure on the system are gradually rendered, especially in idle mode. After selecting Smart, a red bar will be seen above the timeline, which will gradually turn green, and this means that the part is ready to be played without lag. Temporarily turning off all effects and color settings by this button is very effective in running the timeline smoothly. Disabling audio and video layers that you don't need right now. This work reduces the pressure on the system and prevents distraction. Checking the power plan, especially in laptops. In the Start menu, type Power Plan and enter it. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings and set it to High Performance or Ultimate Performance. With this, the system uses all its power. If you use a laptop, be sure to connect it to the power and do not use the battery, especially if you have Windows. Close programs that run in the background and you don't need them at the moment. This has a noticeable effect on weak systems. Meanwhile, if your system is a little old or weak but has the ability to be overclocked, now is the time to overclock it. Buy an SSD and put Windows, editing softwares and project files on it. Of course, it's better to get 2 SSDs and put the project files in a separate drive. And the last and one of the best ways is to use proxies. Using a proxy is easy, but it needs a little explanation. If you want to learn how to use a proxy completely, don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.